Hello guys and welcome back to another unrealengine 5 tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to deal damage when shooting an arrow or projectile at an enemy, like this. This is the third part of the dealing damage to an enemy and it's also gonna be the last part for the enemy. So let's start now. First open your content drawer where you have your arrow in. I'm using this one here. I'm gonna again leave it in the description so I can also use it. Now we have to create the actor. Press right click, go to blueprint class and type in here paper and create the paper sprite actor and call it arrow. Now go to the source sprite and select the arrow. Here. Now we have to go to the add and type in here projectile movement. So Unreal Engine already did it for us, so we have a projectile movement, so the physics and there are already there. So we're gonna only change the speed. So just go to the right and here you got projectile and the initial speed and the max speed. We're gonna set the initial speed to maybe 2000 and the max speed to 3000. So if we are shooting the arrow, it's gonna be like 2000. It has a speed of 2000 and then it can get to the max speed of 3000. Compile and save. Then we have to add the spear collision. So our arrow knows what collision it has, so maybe it only has this collision here. So if it's too big, it's gonna collide with something before it really hits the object, so we're gonna do it perfect like this. It's good. Compile and save. Then go to the content drawer again and search for your character. To the character, if you don't have a character or 2D game, just watch this video here. So there I'm gonna explain you how to create a whole 2D map and a whole 2D game. So just watch this if you don't already have a character. Then open your character. Here we're gonna do that we can actually shoot the projectile. So just type in here key Z. So just gonna use this key here. You can use whatever you want, but I'm using this here. If you already can also do, like, for example, for me, I have on my left click, I have a attack. But if you have a magic character and he has no attack animation, then you can do it like on your left click. But on this example, I'm gonna do it on the Z key. Drag out from here and type in spawn actor from class and select the arrow class. Now we have to do that our spawn actor arrow knows from where he should spawn. So go to the viewport and here we have to create an arrow. Then drag the arrow one here, drag out from here and type in get world transform. I'm connected with the spawn transform. So now if you compile and save, open the character and press C, you see we can shoot it, but it's not flying. And that's because our arrow has to be unmovable. You're also going to get this arrow here. It says also render component has to be movable. So we're just going to open the arrow again and go here to the sprite and just do the mobility to movable. That's basically it. Because you have to think it's only an image, so image it has no animation, so it cannot really fly. That's the reason we have to put it on movable. And now, if we play and press C, you see it's flying, it's really shooting. Perfect, so now we have to do that the arrow are gonna be the sprite and not like this, and are dealing damage to this character here. So now, drag out from the spawn actor arrow and just type in apply damage. Type in here, I would say 50 is best, and then from the damage causer type in self. So damage causer is like who is dealing the damage, and in this example it's the arrow himself, he is doing the damage. so it has to be the self. Okay, that's it. Compile and save. So now we have to open the arrow, go to the event graph. Now we have to tell our character, so enemy, that he has attack and then gets damage when getting hit by this arrow. So then you're gonna open your enemy. For example, for me it's this the knight. Go here to the details from the knight itself and just type in tag. Go here and type in here knight. It has to be the exact name as you have here in your arrow. So they have to be the same. If not, then it's not working. So then compile and save. Press play. Shoot. And now it's taking damage. Perfect. I hope you liked this video. Leave a like and subscribe there, and I'll see you in the next Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. By the way, to create this enemy, I also did a video here. So just check this out, and then I see you in the next Unreal Engine 5 tutorial.